How to use your phone as a microphone on PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use your phone as a microphone on PC in 2022, easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to this website, arion.com. as you can see, this is the address, and then download it for Windows or Mac, or even for Ubuntu if you have one of these. And after you download it on your PC, then go to your phone and download the app. As you can see, if you will find it in Play Store and the App Store. And then after you download it, all what you have to do then is connect it between your PC and your phone, and you will be able to connect your phone as microphone easily. You can also connect it as a webcam, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.